Have you heard the nesting bird? Words by Rita Gray, pictures by Kenard Pak. Morning doves take their morning stroll. Woodpecker calls from a tree with a hole. Starling sings from a meadow pole. But have you heard the nesting bird?
What bird? Where? That robin nesting up there.
Sparrow makes a simple jingle. Swallow slides from under a shingle. Crow calls out, come meet and mingle. But have you heard the nesting bird?
Not a single tweet or trill. This nesting bird is so still.
Cardinal wears a pointy hat. Chickadee is an acrobat. Catbird sounds like a hungry cat. But have you heard the nesting bird?
It doesn't sing, not even a bit. All it does is sit and sit.
Blue jay's shriek is as sharp as a drill. Whippoorwill has his favorite trill. Wood thrush turns the twilight still. But have you heard the nesting bird?
It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for so long. Wait, what's that? Something made a little sound. The bird is starting to move around. The bird flew off with something blue. Look! Another robin is coming too. The baby birds are here.